In this video, we see how to generate sections in Stonex Reconstructor. Go in CAD Output and click on Cross Sections Tools. As first, create the reference plane. Select the fitting method to define the plane. For example, choosing the plane from 2 points, you simply have to select 2 points from the 3D view. Click on Fit Plane. In yellow you see the plane. We want to generate sections parallel to the floor of the building, so click on Make Plane Horizontal. Increase the dimensions of the plane until it is large enough to hold the model you want to section. Now I have to move the plane to the floor to create sections from the base. From the project window, right-click on the plane, and click on Pose and Registration and Manual Positioning. From the Adjust Pose window, insert values to translate or rotate the plane. Click on Cross Sections Tools and Section from Plane. Click on Cross Sections Tools and Section from Plane, and click on the plane you want to use as reference. Click on Repeat Section. Define the space between the sections and the number of repetitions. Tick if you want to generate slices of point cloud at the sections. Click on Section View to see the preview. And move from one section to another with the arrows. Click on Compute. You can choose to export the contours, to open the viewer, or go back to 3D view. Let's have a look at the section viewer. Let's see the results in the 3D view. Here the polylines, the ortho photos, and the point cloud slices.